today I will show uh, the debugging lab 6 for two applications, the unit conversion and also the paint calculator. But first I wanna say what I did is rebuilding the project from the beginning, just to walk through everything. The notes was helpful, was really helpful. I did find some logic errors with the numbers here, so I fixed them. And I agree with you 100%. It's an art to debug an application. So now I'm going to show you the result of the application. So to convert the 55, it will show us this result from feet to meters, and also from inches to centimeters. It will show us the 86. That's with the unit conversion application. Now I will walk you through one of my favorite labs, actually, where I learned a lot with this application, with the debugging, and that was kind of fun to work with. Application, what I did is I started the application and there was a happy word here, so it confused me at first. Then again, back to the little comments here, they were super helpful. They helped me through where should I be focused on the majority, where should I spend time, not go over things. So what I did is just recalling a method from another class and just posted where the text should be viewed. And here's the application for that. And I'm gonna use the data was provided in the lab. There was 40, 40, and 40. One door, and also one window. Calculate, and it will show us this result as it was shown in the lab. I believe I had to recall or just do a little things here where I have to fix the 100 here with the right data, with the logic data, to be able to debug this application correctly. These applications were very helpful for me. I've learned a lot from them. It took me a lot of time to try to understand the 100 here, where it didn't make sense at first, but then I tried to go over it again and again and again until I noticed that here is the problem. So thank you. These are my two applications for lab 4, and thank you for lab 6.